Another noodles, special ramen noodles experience. Slash the best French throat just for this. Burn bridges just for a bowl of Japanese ramen. Wala di ko kabalo unsa dinadari, but according to the one chef or the cook, this meat is made of this is the pork belly. So what we have here is a boiled egg, okay, kilawan natong sabaw. Halang naman ni siya ba, no?
Oh, malit, sir.
Ako, hilig ba yung halang?
Sir, mga niya, sir?
Sarap. Oh, kana. Wow, I like the broth, man. Hindi masyado salty, but tama-tama lang yung saltiness niya. And a little bit creamy. Very little sweetness. Sarap. The sea of loveliness, of unlimited possibilities. Sarap. Ground meat or something. Muna itong tamis-tamis. Mura ground pork ba ni? Wow. And the vegetable they have is parang petchay to. Wow. And the noodles, I think it's egg noodles. Egg noodles? Egg noodles, di ba? Pero imported din, no?
Adilik, kamiray na ko natin.
Aka mo nabutan eh?
Yes, sir. Isari na mo.
Wow. Nanibago ako sa ramen ah. Nanad ko mukha ako pho. But this one, so good. Oh, sarap. Yung ground pork nila eh medyo matamis-tamis. Parang meron silang dried seaweeds. Oh, I'm not really quite sure. Taste the. There you go, baby. And let's put in the broth. Oh, putang ina. Hindi ako marunong ah. Oh gosh. Nanibago ako sa chopstick. Dugayin ako ay gamit chopstick ba? There you go. Sarap. I'm turning Japanese right now. The slurping is not inappropriate, ladies and gentlemen, when you eat ramen. So, here you go. Eggs. Kinang egg, slide. Go for the. Oh. slide siya. So, minutuin natin. So, we're gonna eat the whole egg. Mmm. 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 So good. Mmm. Oh yeah. The last belly of the bowl, ladies and gentlemen. Mmm. Let's drink the whole broth. Oh yeah.